Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just had a quick project share for you all. I had mentioned in my previous video that I was gonna bling out a badge reel for my badge at work, and so I did, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I had picked up these retractable card holders from Dollar Tree, and 3 comes in a pack for $1 there, so that's really good. I'm not sure exactly how long this will last, but I mean, it was $1, so it'll be easy for me to just make another one if it messes up. But so this is what I came up with. I used those little crystals that I purchased from AliExpress, and also one of those little dress it up buttons that I got. It's been in my stash for years. I got it from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. That's one of those little buttons. I use the E6000 glue with the precision tip, and I just basically applied the glue on the reel and used my jewel picker, picked up my little crystals, and dropped the jewels where I wanted them. So it came out really cute, and I promised you guys that I would come back and share that with you guys. Now I wish that this badge holder was clear, because you can see a lot of the black spacing in between. It's still pretty to me since the cat is pink and black, and also I like this because the tail looks like an S, and my name is Sonia, so that worked out well. So I blinged out around the edges, and it feels pretty sturdy. Really pretty. But yeah, this is some more of those little dress it up buttons. Since I don't have any cats and I own a dog, my children told me that it was disrespectful to put a cat on my badge reel. They thought I should have a doggy like our dog. So I went ahead and bought this little pack, the little dogs, because I'll make another one. But I love my little cat right here. And then I got some little Minnie Mouse ones. These were actually the only ones they had at Walmart. I got these from Walmart, but I grabbed them. I have 2 more of these left, so I'll make one with the little puppy dog and one with the little Minnie Mouse. And yeah, I'm just gonna use the same little crystal gems, excuse me, little crystal gems that I have, that I use on this, because I love the sparkle of these. But yeah, just a really inexpensive project that turned out really good. I still have a whole lot of the glue left, and this set came with the 3 of those precision tips that you can change off as you need. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the link below to subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.